Pumpkin, good morning. It's time to get up. The guys are going to arrive for the tank build. You're right on the course for Loading Wars. If you guys haven't checked out Loading Wars, it's on my second channel, RC Sparks Reboot. Has to do with all the semi-trucks and quite a bit of anarchy with the boys that come over and have a good time. I'll leave a link in the video description box if you don't know about RC Sparks Reboot. Here is the electronics that I tidied up on the Ferdinand Elephant tank here. Distributed and made by ARMORTEK. 24 volt motors on either side, 16:1 gear ratio. If you guys haven't seen the build series on this tank destroyer, go ahead, click the info box up here. I'm going to leave a link to the playlist because you want to catch yourself up to speed. 200 plus what? Each one of these is 20 pounds each, so about 240 pounds when we're completed. This thing is a giant. A lot of people have been asking if we're going to put an engine in there. The answer is no. It's going to be electric. The Ferdinand was a petrol electric, so why not? What's up? Yeah, Loading Wars. I was just telling these guys they're going to have to check Loading Wars out. Gentlemen,
hey,
welcome back to building. Everyone's been watching. Did you know that 90,000 people fit into England's largest stadium, Wembley Stadium? 90,000 people fit in, and our last video was seen over 100,000 times.
Wow.
Everyone crammed into a stadium watching us build an ARMORTEK tank.
Love this tank. Tank destroyer.
Tanks a lot. Yeah, tank destroyer. I've been very clear. It looks like a tank. Okay? It's like a tank. It's got a cannon on it. The only thing it doesn't do is have a turret that turns. What's up?
Hey, Rookie.
Rookie in the house. So, recoil mechanism and cannon we're hoping for today.
Nice.
Steve, Michael, Rookie, myself, and of course Crazy Joe behind the screen. Got the electronics all put in, looking very tidy. Got the switches put in for the smoker kit. The speakers are here, one facing up, one facing forward. These may move in the future, but I like this idea with the electric motors at the back. Motion controls module here and the audio module. This is the leads for the battery. And everything is just going to kind of fall in. So all three books are set out for you guys, whatever you want to get started on. That'll be it.
I have to ask, did you not hook it up and try driving it around this week?
How would I do that? None of this is put in here.
But you could have driven it.
We should put in the radio as well today.
Yes.
That'll be another thing we do, because I got a Flysky radio.
I didn't see any posts of you riding around on it this week.
No. Everyone's quaking right now. I just said Flysky radio. Why would you be doing such a huge tank with the Flysky radio?
Flysky is awesome.
Because you haven't seen all the new Flyskys stuff that's coming out. So we're hooking the motion control module here and the audio module here with all the leads for the receiver.
Yeah.
And so go ahead.
Something we found confusing is our receiver diagram shows no connections to the motion control. But then if you look on the front of the motion control, it goes directly to
The audio unit.
module. So this has jumpers inside it.
Yep.
So this jumpers to the motion, which gives you your sound and motion all at the same time. So that is going to go to output 3.
Plus the recoil is going to work into this as well,
Yes.
the whole recoil kit. So this goes to number 3.
That goes to number 3.
On the audio. So
On
this
the
is
audio.
just like putting in a sound kit. Aaron.
Absolutely.
This is just like putting in a sound kit to the 10 scales or 8 scales
Yep.
we do. Guys, I know that watching electronics got to be have lost at least half of the viewers right now. Are you still watching 5 minutes into the video? These guys.
Oh no, electronics.
Yeah, I'm out of here. Crazy Joe, Michael.
Hey.
Hey, what's shaking? What are we doing here?
We're just building the back hatch
Aha.
here for the back plate. So
Yeah.
this is gonna bolt on here. I'll get my mitts out of the
Oh,
way
so
for
the
ya.
studs are coming out on the back, eh?
These are going in the back,
Okay, yeah.
and they're gonna hold it. Studs go there. That goes there. Little ladder thingy goes there.
Technical terms only here. Ladder
We're gonna
thing.
hang a piece of tank track here.
Yeah. So we're really kind of getting down to the details here, yeah?
We're starting to
Yeah.
get some details out.
Yeah, we got to get these out of the way because if we don't get these, we can't move on to the cannon.
Well, that's right.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're like. Exactly.
The boomstick.
The boomstick.
What's your best?
Hey, I didn't read that it said hammer on the tank. Did you see the word hammer?
Don't start with me.
Oh my gosh.
I'm in a great mood right now.
Will someone please stop the hammering?
No, we will not.
Will someone please stop the goddamn hammering?
Thank you.
Little Scrooge reference there, by the way, Bill Murray. A lot of people were asking why the heck we weren't using lithium polymer batteries, and they laughed at us for using these batteries. Can you explain quickly why?
Capacity.
Mechanic? Yeah.
Basically capacity. And these being wheelchair batteries, so a super deep cycle, we can kill them dead.
Exactly.
They won't care.
That's exactly why I bought them.
Hey, you might want to.
Are you feeling better now? Is your period over?
Settle down.
What?
I had to hammer these 2 pins in.
Right there, Max.
That's all
Oh, looks good. So you did have to use the hammer.
it is. Yes.
Oh, well, you are feeling better then.
But did you see the page that I turned to now?
Ah, good, because we need this. We definitely need to get started on the cannon. Everything is basically assembled. There was, this cannon comes together in multiple pieces. It's all CNC aluminum. You might have seen this on the episode 1 of unboxing this cannon. One piece here, another piece on the inside, a long shaft that screws together with another one. Ba-boom. Literally, there you go.
Got it?
Got it?
Just a small amount.
Yeah.
A little dab.
Not too much. Yeah.
Just trying to hold it together. Keep it from vibrating apart, really, is all we're doing here.
And leaking. I don't want it leaking out the side inside my tank. I don't want the inside of the tank destroyer looking like it's on fire.
Like it's on
Even
fire?
though that would be appropriate
That would
for this
be
model.
amazing, actually.
Maybe it is scale realism.
That back hatch looking killer, guys.
Yeah, it gives us a bird.
Yeah, it came together pretty cool, hey?
Yeah, yeah. All of these have been pre-painted, primed up, same all green primer on here, ready for me to finish this in the future. But for it to be mechanically put together, I wanted to make sure to have some color to it. Some unfinished as well. You'll notice the cannon is not painted, as well as the road wheels. I like the brushed aluminum look on it. This is a tank or a tank destroyer of 2018, 2019 here.
2019 coming up.
Exactly. Everyone is saying I needed to make it look like a World War II tank, but it's far away from World War. Keep getting farther away from World War II all the time.
All the time.
Need spikies.
Here is the new Paladin from Flyskys. You guys will be surprised, but this radio, the way it's constructed, everything about it, the weight of the radio, the options that we have in it, this is one of the more advanced Flysky radios I've ever seen. I think it looks absolutely perfect for this particular tank model. Guys, what do you think? Does it have the army look to it, like the futuristic tank look,
It
eh?
does look very military.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Very military, yeah. So this is the choice I'm going to be going with right now. Just new on the market here, actually. Got the receiver already being hooked up. The Paladin. Huge 18-channel radio, but you can see here I'm going to be using a 10-channel receiver, the FTR10.
Ah, see?
Should do her. Just tap it in.
I'm helping.
This isn't glued in though, right?
Yep, looking good. It's like the littlest cannon ever made, which is not true. We've seen some small cannons, man.
It's not the size, it's how you use
That's true. Boomstick.
They were sitting at the end of the day.
As we mosey our way through the build here, you can see what Rookie's working on here is actually, this is part of the recoil unit. It's not part of it, it is the recoil unit. So the arm and the motor and the servo, you can see, are getting all linked together.
Ready?
Nail it. Perfect. Oh, it popped out on the other side. Nice.
Well, when we put these tubes in, we got a little bit of glue in there.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure you don't need any glue in there.
No, not on the inside of this one.
So
No, because those are bushings for the recoil.
That's right. What are we looking at here, gentlemen? Oh, it's cannon time.
Now the boomstick.
Wow.
just stand over there a little bit,
Wait a second.
because it
Whoa.
doesn't have a lot of
Hey,
left, right, but it can go up and down.
nice, man. So what are we discovering?
Well, we're discovering that when we were pointed to the left with the barrel,
Yeah,
it was binding in there.
right, so it's this piece.
So yeah,
Is it the paint?
it is the paint.
So it's the paint that messed
So
it
I'm
up.
just gonna make the surface really nice and beautiful so that we have great fucking action.
Exactly, good idea. Kind of gives you an idea of what we're looking at here. The barrel comes through into the top. This is where the recoil unit is going to be hooked up. These guys have the snail cam attached.
We're in there.
Yeah, motor attached. You guys, yeah, you guys see it on YouTube in a matter of minutes when it's hours for us here, but it certainly is paying off.
It would suck if it was actually just minutes.
Yeah, hey, well, this is what makes the project so amazing, is that we all get to work as a team and
It's
discover.
hard to get permission from my wife to stay here for 30 hours at a time, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm bolting all over there.
And give us a lot of adjustment when it switches too.
Yeah, I see there's a good swing on it.
Come on. A little hair more.
Working?
Absolutely.
Show me for range of motion, please.
We have a full,
Yeah.
fully erect.
Full range. No actual binds or anything like that.
No, the action is 100% better.
Perfect.
It's fully erected.
Creepy.
I know it sounds creepy, doesn't it?
Just a little.
Why this is such a big
Just
deal?
family friendly.
Somebody will be a fan.
Hey, cop, what do you think?
If you're a cop, you have to tell me.
Yes.
They don't.
No, they don't.
They're undercover.
I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, undercover wouldn't work very damn well.
No.
it wouldn't.
No.
Are you guys ready with our electronics yet?
Oh, we're
Like,
getting there.
We're done
We're
our
really
part.
close, yeah.
So what the hell's holding you up?
We need
They're
the gun.
slow.
Careful.
Yeah, over there. That's right. Yeah, nice. Oh, we finally get. Oh, you guys are covering it up.
I don't like this. These don't line up.
No, but we can use
Oh, first look with the cannon on it, guys. Coming together.
Well, let's hook up the gun then.
Yeah, let's. Well, that's what they're on. Good job on the front, by the way.
Thank you.
We have the mechanism ready to hook to the gun.
Nice.
I believe, yes.
Yeah, we're ready.
We have our
two-
recoil
the two
and our
mechanisms.
elevation and slew.
Wow. Yeah,
That's awesome.
yeah, it's insane. What a cannon. The studs, everything about the way it's laid out with the primer and the studs and the raw brushed is killer. On its way to being like a Mad Max style. But way of the future, all electric. You don't have to worry about running out of any diesel except for the generator that charges my batteries. Ironically. Upside down view here. Rook doing his best to get his hands in there. It's an awkward spot.
It is.
Snail cam on the side.
Yeah? So it'll pull the barrel up.
This with the bearing.
Looks like you guys are doing surgery. And you literally are. Okay, so what are we figuring out then? Because look how long that spring is. That's like super long. So explain to the viewers exactly what should be happening here.
When the snail cam moves,
Right.
it should pull the barrel back for the recoil. Just
Right,
like that.
there goes, like that.
And it should, when she goes back, you can let go of that, Joe.
Yeah, there we go.
Now we'll have limit switches set up.
Yeah, literally let it go. I want to see it function without any hand there.
It'll be there. There's your stop again, once it hits this switch.
Okay, so they still don't understand, and so what's really going on is that the spring isn't adding enough tension to bring the barrel back. Which is really interesting because they've had many kits like this, and obviously that must be the spring that goes out. So there's customers out there that are getting the spring and figuring this out. I wonder what we're missing.
Yeah, there's
That doesn't make sense to me.
something in this. It moves fairly smoothly, but I want it to move even smoother than that.
Yeah, because
There has
as
to be
soon
no
as that
tension. Gotta be
Gear
no
drops
tension.
it, it's supposed to snap back.
There is a joke in here.
There's,
I can't think of one.
That's what she said.
it's too easy.
Very nice, gentlemen.
How's that feel, Joe? We need to do more yet?
I wanna see,
Give it a good blow,
all that
Steve.
dust out of there, right?
Basically, you guys are racing.
And it's got a handle.
Yeah.
Doesn't slide in. You ever see me run? Because I don't run.
Just let me. Look at it, gravity. Everybody stop.